I got the chance to complete a 1-week placement opportunity with the BBC Studios documentary unit Crimewatch through my Cardiff Mint University lecturers, and this week has been nothing short of growth, knowledge, insights into what goes on behind the production of a TV show. I didn't just observe, I got involved. I went with prop sorting alongside with the runner who was on the team, and this was my favorite part, going on a tour to see the different cafe setup, shops. It was so mesmerizing to see all these spaces being transformed into anything depending on the story. I picked up a lot from the runner because your role is very important, and making sure that every item matches the story, the time period. It's like doing a detective work but for objects, and I could really see myself doing this in the future. Making a coffee is definitely how you get on with your day. I also helped with researching filming locations and looking for the places that matches the tone and the story that they are trying to create. One of the locations I saw, which was an Airbnb for a reconstruction, made it into filming, and it was really a proud moment for me. And just walking behind the scenes and shadowing the director filming on set was an absolutely beautiful moment. Thank you, BBC Documentaries, for this exciting opportunity.